seats down. Now we're gonna go in and install them. I figured it might be easier doing them while they're laid down to get a better purchase or better hold there. So we'll get them installed. So I think that's it. I mean, they're pretty easy to install, as you can see. First impressions, there's not 100% coverage. As you can see, there is a little bit of there are a few areas that don't get covered. You can see that here, you can see that here. And then in between the small two mats right here, no coverage there. A little bit of a gap in between this liner and these. What I was expecting though, because again, I'm sort of using two products. The flaps there, these are placed properly, so you can still have access to those holes there. So that's pretty good. Let's put these back up, see how they look. I think they look pretty good. I think it's going to give me the look I was looking for. Again, just something to help provide some coverage. Like I said, I use this vehicle to put a lot of stuff in, and a lot of times it's 2x6s that may be 8 foot long, and so having the ability to drop the seats down was a must. And so as such, having some protection on these on the back of these seats, I think is going to be really helpful. So I'm a little, I thought they were going to cover this piece as well. That would have been really cool, but they don't. But they do provide some coverage, so that's helpful. Looking forward to actually testing them and see how well they do. And I will provide the link in the description below so you guys can check them out. Obviously no affiliation. I think I have like 3 followers. But anyways, yeah, that's it. So again, I do have the Husky liner here on the bottom, and it's pretty dirty. As you can tell, I actually use this vehicle for a lot of stuff. Again, I used to have a truck, so I do a lot of truck things with this. And then here we go. You can see how these feel pretty good though. I see a little blemish there from the factory cut there. That's okay. I'm not too worried about it. But anyways, let me know what you guys think, or if you guys have tried these long term. I'll put the link in the description so you can see the price of them. I think they were about 60 bucks for just the backseat covers. I think if you get the backseat covers and the cargo mats. It's about $130, something like that. But I didn't like that it doesn't provide coverage for this little areas. From, if I can remember correctly, I don't think that there was actually coverage here. So that was a little bit of a concern, because as you can tell, the vehicle gets used and it does get dirty. So anyways, let me know what you guys think. Appreciate it.